So guys, we have to take advantage of this new opportunity for us to create a really high quality articles, because if you are subscribed to a ChatGPT Plus, then you have the option to choose the GPT-4o and create this bunch of articles that we will be going to perform here in our case study. So what I was planning to do is we create another website called Herbology. So Herbology is a study of herbs from what I learned so far. So we will be creating this 125 I think 112 articles, 114 articles talking about herbs and herbology. And we have this ClickBank offer that is really promising. These two offers we can choose from, whether the Doctor's Book of Survival Home Remedies or this the Lost Book Remedies. So I think for this example, we will go ahead and choose this the Lost Book of Remedies, because it has higher gravity, which means it's been selling for the past 30 days, and we can get up to 34.39 commission. So we will be promoting this to along with these articles that we will be generating using GPT-4o. So in GoDaddy right here, we check this domain, herbstrove.com. So we will be registering this domain so that we will be able to install a fresh WordPress and then create this bunch of articles. So this case study will help us see whether we can rank better using GPT-4o model. So we will be generating all these articles purely using GPT-4o and then link this ClickBank offer to our articles. So once the articles get rankings from Google, we will automatically be having people who will likely click our affiliate link. So now this is the most affordable way you can do in order for you to register this domain if you are planning to create multiple websites. So as you can see right here in Orange Host, so what I advise you guys, when you are going to create multiple domains, try this $1, okay? Because you will only pay for the domain for the entire year. You will anyway be buying a domain which costs $12, but this one will cost you, $0 for the it's pretty much you will be charged $0 for the hosting, because you will be paying for the entire host for 12 months just for $12 with free domain. So that means it's more likely you'll just paying for the domain. And the good thing here is you can get a separate IP address for every domain. So what I'm talking about is if you have an existing account here in Orange Host, make sure you are signed out before you click this buy now, because if you are signed in like this one, I am signed in, and you see the full year, I don't get a discount, okay? So for full year, I'll be paying the full amount, which is 24.75. So the strategy here is make sure you are signed out if you have an existing account. And then here, you create a new account using, another Gmail account, okay? So in that way, you will again get the 50% discount here, and pretty much you're just paying for the domain itself, and then you get the free hosting. So do not, do not use your existing login. I think, I'm not sure if that's allowed, but that's, one way you can still save if you have already got an account with Orange Host. So you can do that, okay? Now, let me do and sign up for a new account. So once your account is ready and you completely signed up and verified your email, you will be landed in this dashboard. And once you input all your details right here, so your account will be active. As you can see here, we've got the brand new account right here, and we can now go ahead and install our fresh new installation of WordPress. So we go to here, click this login to see panel. And once you're here on your C panel, just click this WordPress Manager. And here we will be installing the fresh copy of our WordPress. So we will install that in the root directory of our site. So install that using HTTPS. So by the way, guys, you will also have the free SSL certificate here, so you don't need a new one. Okay. So once it's installed, we are now ready to access the dashboard and install the required plugins. So here, in order for you to activate your SSL certificate, your free SSL certificate within Orange Host, what you need to do is come to this section called SSL TLS status, and here you can run auto SSL. So once it completed running, it may take like a few minutes for you to activate the SSL, for the SSL to get activated. And once it gets activated, you can start using this WordPress new installation, and then we will install the required plugins to begin. Our SSL is now ready. So the first thing I want to install is the the WP a REST API so that I'll be able to complete generating these articles. So guys, for you don't have to use the article AI generator. If you have an access to ChatGPT Plus, and then you are able to generate these articles just by prompting a correct custom prompt here to write you an like 1,500 words article. Although I know you cannot acquire the 1,500 words article in just one prompt. So for me, I just want to save time, so I'll be using the article AI generator. So here I am using the unlimited version because in the configuration right here, I want to write all my articles using this model. Here you are able to select any model here that you want your articles to be written. So for me, my default model will be this one, the new model, which is GPT-4o, because this case study is about how we are going to rank well using GPT-4o. But if you have an available credits on articleaigenerator.com website itself, so for example, right here, I've got available credits, then you can use it. You don't have to use the unlimited version if you still have credits here. It's just that I want to use the unlimited version because I think that's more cost effective if I am a heavy user. So you can do that right away because here in articleaigenerator.com, you also have the ability to use completely the GPT-4o model just by adding some few credits to generate articles. But in exchange of that, you will have, more quality and really good quality articles because it's written in GPT-4o. I think GPT-4o is, a really good state-of-the-art model of of OpenAI, and it really writes a better article, as I will show you later once all our articles have been completed. So here I installed the WP REST API. So what I simply need to do is configure that in 5 seconds. So you just need to click this basic authentication, make sure this is ticked, and click next and click finish. That's it, guys. You are done configuring the site. And here as well, I added a new user. So this is an editor role. This will be the user that I'm going to add here in Article AI Generator for me to generate more articles. So let's do that right here. So we click the add sites. So here it's added successfully. So it will be right here in my list of sites. So I can now go ahead and, generate these articles right here. So I can go and generate 50 per batch. So before that, guys, in order for you to save your credits or to save the token limited version, so we have here the option to test first if our configuration is correct. So click that test auto post to WordPress, and here we select our site, which is this one, and it auto populates the user and password, and then let's click the test auto post. So as you can see, good job, you can auto post to your WordPress. Please delete the sample post in your site. So it will create a sample post right here. So that means, so this one, as you can see, test post from Article AI Generator, that means you have successfully correctly configured the WP REST API. So we just need to delete that and delete this hello world as well. Now we are ready to generate these articles. So guys, by the way, these keywords right here, I just captured that from Google people also asked section, and then I copied everything. I copied all these questions provided by this Google search, and then I come here to Claude and then ask Claude to make sure that I have the unique list of the keywords so that we make sure we don't have any duplicates, okay? And we will be able to generate good quality articles right there. And going back to generating the bulk articles right here, so we go to generate bulk articles, and we will be generating 50 at a time. So I will be doing this now, guys. And by default, if you're using the unlimited version, you don't have to select this because we already configured that in our settings to use the default GPT-4o, okay? You don't have to select this here. And here, we are going to keep that as 2,500 words. And for now, I'm going to leave the featured image as no. And of course, we will auto post that. And here, we will publish that because this is a new website. So it's okay to publish immediately the articles. And here, we select our site, which is right here. We know that the auto post is already working as we tested that. And now we generate. Okay, so now it's generating. Let's do that for the rest of our articles. Okay, so that didn't take long because we just have 114 articles in total, and now they're all in queue. So we just wait for a few minutes for all these 114 articles to be completed, and we will add our affiliate link. Guys, as you can see right here, all our 114 articles are now posted to our WordPress, and they're all published. So what we need to do now is, copy the link of our affiliate link here, from the ClickBank offer that we will be promoting along with our articles, so that when they start ranking and we start receiving organic traffic, so we will have chance for those visitors to click our affiliate links and potentially land to a sale. Okay, so let's do that. Click this promote, and then here just create the applet. Now here on WordPress, we will just need to install our, the favorite plugin that we always use and very convenient, which is the ads inserter, because this will allow us to insert our affiliate links in all our articles just by a single configuration. So we install this. Now once it's activated, you just need to go to settings and then add inserter. And here you can use any block here. So for now, we will use this block number 1, and our affiliate link will be, right there. Okay, I know it's a bit heavy, when you are getting affiliate links from ClickBank, it's always like this. So I advise it's better you can use URL shortener to do that. But since this is our own site, I think it's okay to be here, but it's advisable to update that so our visitor, or will see a better friendly URL. So here, just for a start, I just simply created a simple link right there. But of course, you can have this more, more attractive, like the text right here. You can research, you can do ask ChatGPT or Claude to give you a better title for this link so that it will be more attractive for our visitor. But for the sake of this example, I will just put it right there, and later on we will just modify this accordingly. So again, we will just have to click this post and make sure you configure where you want to appear this link right here. Let's say before content right there, and let's make this a little bit bigger. So we use the H4 heading. And here, once you save that, let's go ahead and check some of the article. So as you can see, this is one of our blog posts, what plants slows down aging. So that's one of our topic right there. And this article is written using GPT-4o model. As you can see, it's, really using high quality words right there. And it's formatted clearly based on the SEO recommended structure. You can see we have the H2 right there, and then followed by H3, and then H4, and so on. So, as you can see, it provided us a comprehensive structure of the article, which is, really capable on ranking on Google. Now, once this gets organic visitor, as you can see right here, you get the affiliate link right away to all our articles. So that's simply the configuration that we need to do in order for us to, configure all our affiliate links in all the articles. So we just need to use the ads inserter. Now we just need to tidy up a little bit our site. So here in themes, we will be using our favorite one, which is Niv. So just click on add new theme, and we select this install Niv. So once it's activated, go to customize. You will see right here, by default, it shows the the homepage with 3 sections. So what I want to do is to go to layout, and then here in blog archive. So I just want to select 2 columns at a time like that, and make sure I remove this menu right there. So we will create a tab menu, and later we will add the required pages. So for now, let's keep that empty. Okay, so later on we will add items. Once we have completed configuring this, we will need to add a private policy page, the contact page, and then the about us page. So those things. Okay, so we publish that. And here in the homepage too, so we go back to layout and then blog archive. So here in post meta, we don't want to show the the comments, the date, and the author. We just simply want to see the title and the the excerpt of our blog right there. And we click on publish again. And we tidy up a little bit this header. So what I usually do again is go to header, and then in the header main, so we put some border width so that it will make it will look better. So you can choose for example, since this is about herbal, so our theme will be green. You can do that, and later we will add image logo right here, and you can increase the row height so it's not squeezing right there, and you click on publish. Now we go to one of the articles, so let's click this, and here, so this is the nice link we have right there. And here we take this edit icon in the recent comments, and it will go to the widgets section right here. So I wanted to delete this recent comments section because we don't need that, and I want to adjust the number of recent posts it's showing here. So again, click that and click this. Now click this show more settings, and you can simply put this as like 25 at a time. Okay, like that, and you publish it again. Okay, now you can adjust the width of your entire window right there. So you just need to go to again layout and then container, so you can reduce or increase the width of your entire blog. So for me, let's make it as 1200 by default, and we save that. You can also change the font, the default font of the entire blog. Just go to typography right here and this font presets. So you can choose the default font right here, for example, this one, or so it depends on your preference. So let's keep it maybe this one for now, and then let's save that. So you can just change that, and when later on everything will be configurable, as long as the most important is we have our articles ready. And once Google crawls this website right here, we have all the articles published, and Google may start indexing if they think it's worth indexing the articles, since we know that it's generated using GPT-4o. So I don't think this is spammy at all, but we will know. Okay, we will know in a few weeks, that in 1 week maybe all these articles may be indexed. I will give you an update, guys. So hopefully just make this a little bit better, the appearance. So we will be adding featured images as well. But for now, our articles are now ready to be indexed. They're all published. So, and as you can see, let's check again one of the articles written, and again using GPT-4o, and it's got a really comprehensive article. And so I think, guys, for now, that's all I can share you. So we generated all these 114 articles using completely GPT-4o version, the new model, and let's see if we get some good rankings in a few days or in a few weeks. And hopefully we landed some clicks on our affiliate link. And yeah, that's about it, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please leave a like. Thank you.